Damn, 15 minutes on it.
That's what like.
15 minutes on it. Nah, I'm good. Go, keep on.
That's what I.
15 minutes for a 2 train? That's crazy.
There is Manhattan bound, local 2, train 2, Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College, 2 minutes.
Oh, 2
away.
minutes. What the fuck? What the 15 minutes? Oh, just had 15 minutes. Bumbaras, 2 minutes away. Good. That's after 15 minutes. God. Maybe if a damn rush. Maybe I said 15 minutes. There you go, the 2 train car about to approach the train station. So we are near Nereid Avenue.
There is Manhattan bound, local 2,
Nereid Avenue.
Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College.
Here's a 2 train right here.
Please stand away from
Here's a 2 train approaching the station. Let's get on with it. On and pop it. Now, people, I want to focus on my
This is
business.
a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is Nereid Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 233rd Street.
Connection is available to Metro North. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 225th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 225th Street. a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 219th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Mouth. Chapman better watch his fucking mouth too. Don't play that Chapman. Fucking play that shit. Fuck the motorcycle and all that. Fucking read, nigga. I'm telling you now. Fuck. Fucking try. Fucking try, bro. Fucking try. Fucking try. Shit. Fuck. Fucking play like you fucking me. Nigga, me, bitch. Play me, bitch. Fuck. Maybe. Fuck that. Fuck that. Nigga. Fuck that. Done.
This is 219th
Stop.
Street.
Oh. This side is over. Back. Fuck. Fuck. Back. Back.